United States has now designated the Resistant Front or TRF as a foreign terrorist organization over its involvement in the Pahalgam terror attack. But this is a move in the US which is being seen by many as doublespeak. It was barely a month ago that Donald Trump hosted Pakistani Army Chief Asim Munir at the White House over lunch.
Hours after terrorists gunned down 26 people in Pahalgam on April 22nd, the Resistance Front or the TRF claimed responsibility for the attack. The TRF, also known as the Kashmir Resistance, however denied involvement days later as tensions escalated between India and Pakistan. The US State Department has now designated the TRF, a shadow outfit of Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba, as a foreign terrorist organization and specially designated global terrorist. Designating an organization as a foreign terror organization makes financing, aiding, advising and helping such organizations a crime under the US law. The US called Pahalgam the deadliest attack on civilians in India since 2008 Mumbai attacks by the Lashkar. The TRF has earlier claimed responsibility for several attacks against Indian security forces. The designation of TRF as a terrorist outfit is a diplomatic win for New Delhi and a blow to Islamabad as it comes days after President Donald Trump hosted Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir for lunch at the White House. India welcomed the US decision to designate TRF as a terrorist group, reiterating India's zero tolerance to terror.
I've spent most of my life in the world of diplomacy. And in diplomacy, you are negotiating all the time. And to negotiate, you have to really out-prepare and outthink your competitors.
The families of Pahalgam terror attack victims also hailed the move by US.